The Indian Space and Research Organization has finally launched its much awaited Chandrayaan 3 mission from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota on July 14, 2023, using the LVM 3 vehicle. Costing around Rs 600 crores, the Chandrayaan 3 is a follow up to the Chandrayaan 2 mission that was launched in July 2019 with the objective of landing a rover on the lunar south pole. But just 2 kilometers above the surface of the moon, the lander lost contact with the Earth. Having better technology and equipment than its predecessor, the Chandrayaan 3 shows complete capabilities to secure a safe landing and roving on the lunar surface.
Now, let us know some technicalities. Chandrayaan 3 consists of an indigenous propulsion module, lander module named Vikram, and a rover named Pragyan, with the objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for interplanetary missions. The propulsion module will support the lander and rover configuration up to 100 km of the lunar orbit. It will also examine the spectral and polarimetric data of Earth from the lunar orbit with the help of spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth shape payload it is carrying. Furthermore, the ISRO will use the orbiter it sent back in 2019 during the Chandrayaan 2 mission to maintain contact with the lander and the rover of Chandrayaan 3 mission. To secure better results and higher chances of success, ISRO has made a failure-based designs and has further made significant changes in comparison to the earlier missions. Lander hazard detection and avoidance cameras will be used to coordinate with the orbiter and mission control as the lander makes its descent approach to the surface of the moon. While the Chandrayaan 2 was fitted with one such camera, Chandrayaan 3 has two of them. Further, the mission is also carrying the Laser Retroflector Array, a passive experiment to comprehend the dynamics of the moon system.
But what is the motive behind the mission? With the Chandrayaan 3, India is interested in studying about the moon's surface, especially the areas that haven't seen sunlight in a few billion years. Thus, it will primarily target the moon's south pole because it has more shadowed region than the northern part. Scientists and astronomers believe that these darker areas of the lunar surface might contain ice-enriched mineral reserves. Thus, this exploration will also aim to look at the exosphere and subsurface in addition to the surface to understand the lunar body's geochemistry. India's dedication to advance its lunar exploration and overcoming challenges is demonstrated by the Chandrayaan 3 project. This mission further endures for the development of science and the growth of humanity.